Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Cheii from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed, and I started with warm grey for his poncho and trousers. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. For his second poncho, potentially, clothing names isn't really my strong suit. For the main top that he's wearing and the base, I went with a base colour of plague brown. Getting the leather and wooden parts done, I went with Ancient Forest. To start off his skin, I used Argonaut skin as the base colour. Next up, I get his hair and some of these strips on the cape thing done with smoke black. Now for the remaining stripes on the cape, I used wolf grey as the first layer. He has a bandana on his head. For this, I went with bloody red. Getting started on the highlights, I grabbed silver grey just to bring up all of the tops of the folds on the whites and dotting in his eyes. pushing up his poncho to the brightness that there is in the artwork, I used sand yellow just to bring up all of the tops of the folds, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses. His skin now gets a quick highlight using Kronos flesh. The blue was a little bit flat for my liking, so I grabbed Celestial Blue and brought up the tops of the folds. Getting all the metal parts done, I went with gunmetal. To wash the Mini, I used a thin down light tone wash over everything, making sure not to let it pool anywhere on that cape and just getting it in the recesses. Finishing up the Mini, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And there we wait for Cheii. I like how the white came out on the cape thing. I'm not too sure if it ever needed having the wash on there, but it just looks a little bit more dirty in those recesses, which fits a bit more with the setting at least. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.